Barry Levin from Divine Yoga, the Yoga Color and Sound. And today we're just going to do a 7-minute breath orientation. See if we can find our body and find our breath. So we're going to begin by bringing our hands just to our belly button. And imagine filling the belly button with air like we were blowing up a balloon or a bike tire. And exhaling and forcefully pulling the belly into the spine, expelling all the old air. Inhaling red and filling the belly like a balloon. And exhaling, pulling the belly into the spine. We could even do this with our children. Inhale and fill the belly. And exhale. And leaving a hand on the belly button, another on the heart. And imagine breathing a red color and breathing belly, ribs and chest with breath, head between the shoulders, belly to the spine, activating the Kegel. And exhaling belly, ribs, and chest with breath. Correct breathing is really a key to life. So 2 more times. Let's bring up a count. So we'll inhale and fill the belly, the ribs, and the chest with breath. Breathing red and counting 3, 2, 1. And exhaling 3, 2, 1. One more time. Inhaling. 3, 2, 1. And exhaling 3, 2, 1. And we're going to do another exercise that relaxes us 110%. So with our left hand, we're going to gently hold a mudra or yoga for the hands, the thumb and the ring finger for the Ayurveda or the Hindu philosophy, the Ayurvedic philosophy. The thumb gives and receives, absorbs and gives, and the ring finger is the earth element. So grounding in here. We're going to inhale belly, ribs, and chest with breath and see if we can activate that Kegel. And exhaling the index finger to cover up the right nostril. Just going to breathe with the left nostril. With an affirmation in our mother tongue. So we're going to inhale. Happy am I, healthy am I, whole am I. And hold the breath in if you can, it feels good. And then exhaling with the emphasis on I am happy. I am healthy. I am whole. Just for 3 minutes. We can do it with our eyes shut, gazing between the eyebrows. be the last full round. And breathing in both nostrils, we can bring our hand back to our belly, inhaling red. Belly, ribs, and chest with breath, inhaling safety. I am safe. And exhaling fear. Inhaling red. I am safe. One more breath, inhaling red. In our mother tongue, I am loved and I am love. I hope, if you're noticing any differences or similarities, breathing in, and how does the physical body feel now? How's the quality of the breath? Did it change? Is it more expansive? And the mind, am I able to watch the mind better? Thank you very much. Namaste, or blessings be.